Today, I will share with you the glutinous rice, 8 treasure rice that must be prepared for New Year's Eve dinner. It symbolizes roundness and sweetness. It tastes soft and sweet. First, prepare a bowl of glutinous rice and soak it in warm water for more than 4 hours. You can also soak it overnight. Then, wash it thoroughly and drain the water. Put the rice into a rice cooker, add 2 pieces of brown sugar, and pour in a little water, just enough for the rice. Stir well with a spoon until the brown sugar melts. Cover with a lid and steam the glutinous rice using the rice cooker. Next, prepare an empty bowl. Add 2 raisins, 18 red dates, 58 peanuts, and 38 goji berries. Pour in an appropriate amount of water, drain the water, and transfer them to a plate. Now prepare a lotus seed or a straw to remove the pits from the red dates. Use scissors to cut one side of each red date. Then fold them one by one, as shown in the video, to create a flower shape. Hold each folded date tightly with your hand. Wrap them individually in plastic wrap, securing both ends tightly so they don't unfold. Finally, cut the wrapped dates into thick slices. Cut them neatly so they resemble roses. At this time, the glutinous rice should be steamed. Transfer it to a large bowl. If you prefer sweeter rice, add 2 spoons of sugar. Then, mix in 1 spoonful of lard for enhanced flavor. Prepare a large bowl and spray a layer of cooking oil on the bottom, spreading it evenly to prevent sticking. Arrange the red date roses at the bottom. Place the washed raisins, goji berries, and peanuts around the edges. Then add a layer of glutinous rice and press it tightly with a spatula. Arrange the remaining red dates around the edge of the bowl and add the remaining raisins. Finally, cover with the rest of the glutinous rice, pressing it tightly. Place the bowl in a steamer and steam over high heat for 20 minutes. After steaming, take it out and invert it onto a plate. Now, a very delicious brown sugar, glutinous rice is ready. Soft, sweet, and visually stunning. It's perfect for treating guests during New Year's Eve or the Spring Festival. Both adults and children will love it. If you like it, give it a try at home.